Hi, I'm Kay Cottrell of the Urban Garden Show Late Bloomer, and I'm going to show you how to trim lettuce. What you'll need: water, rubbing alcohol, clean cloth, and garden shears. Sterilize your garden scissors with rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth. Rinse the blades with clear water and allow to dry. When your lettuces are 6 to 10 inches tall in your garden, you can either trim the top 2 to 4 inches, and those are perfect bite-sized pieces for salad. Or you can cut the entire plant right above the crown where it joins the soil, and it will grow back. This is the crown. When you trim, you want to cut right above the soil, but you don't want to disturb the crown, so the leaves will grow back from the crown. Fertilize and water your lettuces after you trim, and you will have more lettuce to harvest in 2 to 3 weeks. Trim all discolored and brown tissue from your soft lettuces after harvesting. You can get tip burn if you water your lettuce in the sun, because the tips can burn, and you can just trim off tip burn. These are just from the nursery, so there's no tip burn. If you do have tip burn, this is what you do. It won't hurt the lettuce to trim off the tip burn. Tip burn is a disease where the tips and edges of the leaves decay from uneven watering during high temperatures of summer. You can prevent tip burn by watering your lettuce lightly but frequently to keep the soil evenly moist. After you harvest your lettuce, when you're preparing your salad, tear the lettuce rather than cutting it with a metal knife. When you cut lettuce with a knife, the edges turn brown right away and it loses vitamin C content. So make sure you just tear the leaves apart into bite-sized pieces. Remove the outer leaves and store unwashed lettuce by wrapping it in slightly damp paper towels, then sealing it in a plastic bag, putting it in your refrigerator crisper. Unwashed lettuce leaves stay fresher longer. Leaf lettuce and butterhead lettuce will last up to 4 weeks when you bag them dry, and iceberg lettuce will keep for up to 2 weeks. If you're growing your lettuce for a vegetable show, you want to take after you've harvested your head, you want to clean off any leaves that have discoloration, holes, or damage. You can trim it or you can just pull it off. These lettuces are very soft. And then you want to dunk it in water, give it a good wash in water, let it drip, and then give it a good spray, and then seal it in a bag until the show. There is nothing fresher than lettuce right out of your garden, so I encourage you to grow your own. I hope you enjoyed How to Trim Lettuce. I'm Kay Cottrell of the Late Bloomer Show. Thanks for watching.